Every Memorial Day, we honor the people that have fought for our country. One way of doing this is through 3D printing, but not many people know where to find files to print. I intend to help you out with that in this video, which marks the start of my holiday 3D print series. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is a Memorial Day dog tag. Dog tags like this one are used every day in the military. You can download this file from a link in the description, and customize it in Tinkercad, which I will do a tutorial on later. There, you can put your name on, and print it. Number 2. Number 2 was a hard decision, but I eventually decided to put the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier in this spot. It is extremely realistic, as it looks exactly like the actual tomb in Arlington National Cemetery, in Washington, D.C. The link for this one is also in the description of this video. Number 1. At our top spot rests a soldier, with an American flag and an eagle on his shoulder. This is absolutely awesome, and it is my favorite out of the list. This print is a perfect showing of American pride. When printed with a metallic silver finish, it comes out perfect. Well, there you have it, the top 3 Memorial Day 3D prints, which you can find in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a like down below.